Dealing with expense reports can be complicated, and having mobile support is a game changer for tracking costs on the go. When it comes to the Expensify application, the question of platform compatibility is straightforward. The Expensify mobile app is fully supported across the two major mobile operating systems worldwide, iOS and Android. For users of Apple devices, this means the Expensify app is available for download and use on your iPhone and your iPad. The system requirements typically align with relatively recent operating system versions, ensuring most current devices can run the application smoothly. Similarly, if you use a smartphone or tablet running the Google-developed Android operating system, you can access the Expensify app through the Google Play Store. The application is optimized for Android devices, providing all the necessary features like receipt scanning and mileage logging directly from your phone. In essence, whether you are part of the Apple ecosystem or an Android user, you have native, dedicated mobile access to the platform. This broad compatibility allows individuals and businesses to snap receipts, track expenses, approve reports, and manage their finances anywhere, instantly, keeping the entire expense process flowing quickly and efficiently regardless of the mobile device you carry. All your data syncs automatically across your mobile and desktop access points.